Welcome to Rockville. What's up, fellas? It's not every day I get to give away a brand new 2025 0.5 450 factory edition gas, kitted out with factory connection suspension, signed and ridden by Justin Barcia. But when I do, I want to share it with you. And today's the day. Joe Beardsley won this bike. He bought one ticket last minute. I was talking to him earlier. He said, geez, we watch all your videos. I thought, how cool would it be to have a reason to come down to the museum and visit you? He's from Massachusetts, not that far away from us. And he bought one ticket online and won. So, if you see Joe, say hello. Give it a couple revs, Joe.
Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, man.
It's awesome. Guys, Joe Beardsley.
Thank you so much,
winner of
man.
the raffle, 2025 gas. And Joe, your dad and I were talking. You said you've been saving money to buy a bike. I guess all you needed was $10, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I've been saving for a while. Yeah, this just blessed me, man. One entry, $10.
And you were thinking about doing some off-road riding with this, and maybe set up as an enduro. With
I was thinking about setting it up for enduro because, like, that's all I know. I'm not really a motocross rider. I love the sport. Don't get me wrong. Barcia, he's the sickest rider. But how are you thinking about
Barcia? Hold on a second. I got something for you. The bike also comes with this brand new gas cooler. And let's see if there's anything inside here.
Coolers, mint.
You get a signed Troy Lee Designs Rockstar Energy Barcia. This is the actual jersey he won at the Southwick National. He rode the bike for 3.5 hours at the track. It comes with a matching set of his pants too. So these are definitely. I've been a huge Barcia fan since the beginning, and Justin's one of the most popular riders ever to come out of New England.
Definitely badass.
Actually, New York. He's a local boy. So, Justin, thank you for being a part of this.
Thank you. Since I'm not a motocross rider, and you know, I like I said, I love and appreciate the sport. He just said it was. Well, I agree. Would you want to keep the number plate, the jersey for the museum?
Well, you'll be honored to, actually, but it's entirely up to you. It's yours. If you want to leave them here, as long as you'd like, or give them to the museum, that would be awesome. We're huge.
Yeah, well, I mean, if I'm turning this thing into an enduro bike and I'm just going to tear it apart anyways, I don't want to disrespect it. I want to have some of the legacy live on of this bike.
That would be awesome. We'll put it in the museum, be there forever.
Yeah.
And Justin is one of the best riders ever to come out of New England.
Yeah, he's sick. He's sick. He's a badass for sure, man.
If not the best rider.
Yeah.
So, so that's awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is like amazing. My birthday's in 4 days, so I just like couldn't ask for anything more, man. This is just amazing.
That's cool. And you bought one ticket online, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pretty cool. Congratulations, and use it in good health.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you all for participating in the raffle this year. We appreciate your support. All the proceeds from the raffle go to the New England Motorcycle Museum Continuation Fund. And thank you, Justin Barcia, for making this possible, and John Hines, the CEO of KTM Gas Husqvarna North America. We're proud to be their #1 gas dealer, and looking forward to 2026. The new bikes will be rolling in soon, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys at all the races. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.